If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. ATEEZ? Paradigm? Oh, hold up. We about to get lit up in here. It's gonna be like that? Today's that day? Oh, PH1. Okay. What? What we? Go. Get it. Woo! I'ma hold you tight, boo. Who I gotta fight? Oh, damn, okay. Hey. Let's get it. Ooh! In the paradigm? Whoa, hey. Ooh, with the guitar too? He's like, like a paradigm. Hey. You don't cheat. Whole new paradigm. Oh, what the? He said pika. I need some. Pika. Let's get it. Woo. Hey. Wait, I want you. Killing pace without the P. Killing A's. Let's get it. Ooh. Hey. Push. No glitch. What? I just hit my knee while dancing. Ooh, you gonna hit me with a body roll like that and not say anything like that? How you gonna hit me with that body roll and not call me later? Ooh, so good. Hey, that's fire right there. Let's get it. Let's go. What we doing with it? Woo! Hey, yo, paradigm. Feeling. Ooh, okay, we slowing it down. Woo! Hey. Ooh, we started down for some body rolling music, ATEEZ? Okay. Revolutionary for real. Damn. Where we going? Hey, you better stop. Oh, okay, you gonna keep on going. Hey. Woo, okay. Let's go, vocal. Get it. You don't cheat, hey. Damn, ATEEZ, why you hit me with that like a slap to the face? Slap the taste out of my mouth. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.